Hello friends, welcome to Aditi's Food Vlogs. Today I am going to prepare crispy fried honey ginger chicken. For that we need boneless chicken, honey, ginger, capsicum, onion, pepper, salt, garlic and green chili spring onion. For the marination we need salt, pepper, I am adding the crushed pepper here. And I am adding little bit of soya sauce which will give the color to the chicken. Add little bit of corn flour for binding the mixture. I am using only egg white here. Do not use whole egg or else the chicken will become soggy. After putting all the ingredients, mix it well and keep it for 10 minutes. Now we will fry the chicken, heat oil and put chicken one by one and fry it until you get the golden brown color. I am putting the chicken one by one so that it will not mix with each other. Now you can see the color is changing. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos like this. Now the color of the chicken has been changed to golden brown. It's time to take out the chicken. Same way we need to fry the rest of the chicken. The second batch of chicken is also almost done. I'm taking out the chicken now. See, my crispy fried chicken is ready. It got a good color. Now it's time to prepare the sauce and we have to toss the chicken in that sauce. For that, heat little bit of oil, add chopped garlic, sliced green chili and saute it nicely. Now add the onion, capsicum and toss it nicely. And whenever you are preparing any Chinese preparation, make sure your flame of the gas is high. My onion capsicum is almost done, so it's time to add the sauces. I have used the shallots also. Now adding the sauce. Tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons. Soya sauce 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. Adding the salt, crushed pepper, which will enhance the flavor of the dish. Mixing it well. Tossing it nicely. Now I am adding little bit of vinegar. I'm mixing the corn flour with the water I'm adding honey. Now it's time to add the chicken. I've added the chicken. Now I have to mix the chicken with the sauce nicely. I have to toss it well so that the chicken will get the proper sauce and it will spread equally with all the pieces of the chicken. I'm tossing it evenly so that the sauce has been mixed with all the chicken pieces. And now I'm adding the corn flour mix. I'm adding little bit of water. If you want, you can add more water, but since I am making it crispy fried one, I don't want any gravy, so I'm adding very less water. Again, you have to mix it well. Now I will add the julienne cut of freshly cut ginger, which will enhance the flavor of the dish, and this is one of the key ingredients for this particular dish. Julienne cut ginger is added. Now again I have to mix it well. My preparation is almost ready to serve. So I will add the freshly chopped spring onion, sprinkle with spring onion, which will give the color of the dish and a fresh flavor of the dish. I am serving this dish along with the fried rice. If you want, you can serve it along with the noodles also. For the recipe of fried rice or noodles, comment me below. I will come up with the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share, comment, and thank you for watching my video. It's looking yummy.